Ndcfuo nyina mu ma mi twasri. Ndcfuo nyina mu ma mi twasri. Shara no pa sekura wuntwitwi wanum kankan. Do mahama ni trum kokoko no. Wonu obusua santini nyina mu nya na mo de abobra. Oba te se washara no pa. Unyale. O twa no ntotro se wugina ha wo kasai. O twa no ntotro kra. Hohoro yi.
All right. Abusiafo nyame sha bibia. Aha, I Ghana Sam TV. Best say subscribe to the channel and move from my dream children. I will comment section. Obetima turning on the notification time anytime be any video of this kind by Babiano, you will be the first person to see it. Nyame share you know.
Adana Ndcfuo grassroots for yanya modern. Adana MPP for koyi omo candidate. Na ye mo say, mo free say. Mo ni nyansa ka mo koyi do mahama bai. Kwaisiafuo. Mo amemu e de se mo sa 1 year pe. 1 year pe. Shabalo kwa mo de aba Ghana. Mo di suo kata Ghana so. Ye ho na play bet to form. Ye ho na nkola 16. Nanu ya mo se sojafo. Mo kwaton ayi akronfo. Mo kwaton form se ma ne bro so. E man ko ase na wuye. When you are my jagu, I would train us and Kwaisiafuo for more. When I'm magazine for Canada Japan, Mama for Canada Japan, quite this way. Mona Muni will be a modern event to Muda Dromahama and Kwana Munimuno. Dromahama, when you quite first would memo, Kwaisiafuo the money at $1. Ada, I just have one or didn't want to buy my own new Subai was by and Tuma Canada Japan. Can I a friend say, Kwaisia? Kwaisia day? Kwaisiato? Kevin tell Kwaisiafuo was your woo.
Ndcfuo maso den sese on say duru mobro wowa ena eburu mo munye ho hwe me ka chem say Akufo adu nyame no sie de bo dua obi entime nyimo ebi fi wiem no motofom ebi na mfom no mubuhwe ebi collapse de dom kwabro che kohwe wom na me ka chem say Akufo adu mun kopa Akufo adu ba omi achew maso den sese on say duru mobro Akufo adu nyame no se de bo dua obi antime nyiwo enu ma ne bo ma yi asese mu hui Akufo adu nyame kro ya because am de ntroje akonwa dokun bo edion enchina bo edion ena asawo bo edion esase Ghana fo bia dwio fo munti ye campaign e bi dwi asawo bo edion ena bites bo edion ena moda adama nkoto abamamo ena meka che mo se Akufo adu nyame no ye de abomu dua no obi antime nyemo mo ntema so oden sese wo wa no madu Jubilee House enuanim wo wa no camera ntime capture wo nuanim aka to na bro no mo Jubilee House inside na wan hwe yi a mo be hu na ma minister bi di ne supporter pia bonten o be hwe na minister no supporter anko anu pia bonten eti mun kono ko ba umia na Akufo adu cha wo de mun fre Akufo adu wo hi o ba umia wo pa mo cha mun hye Akufo adu fie ba umia bra na mun ko to dwen so mo na mo ne mpanifo because NDC mpanifo ni kwala nyina emu ade ma no twobi wo your video no we will come after you na mo jinkofo page fancy comedy onye mo hwe ablantie young boy kama onye mo hwe magine page etinya bu ochina kra me posti me posti fancy comedy page no ochina me pam cho wo be hu ni new page bia no mun follow no yesramo because Akufo adu nyami o de ba umia she tiktokers yensa yen ye ne ba power inshallah obi atimi nya ho hwe enti Ndcfuo munya so odin no na mo ko pa Akufo adu ba umia chawo enti sai mo bro no on be Ndcfuo nkwala ni mpanifo nyina supporters for Ndcfuo nkwala mu muode ya o ma no fian on be wura mu dem na de wo woni be yemu no enti munya so odin no na mo mra mo ho ase na mo ko pa chawo yo
no me hu say yanka say nuanom joy for aye publication me about say government has spent about $10 billion from January to now to sustain our exchange rate. In fact, shame. And in all genuine sincerity and honesty. Bad. Me dwedini dollar bar for my boy. But for us as a nation, ye nyine ni madie ba kwa edi enyenti ama ye dollar to cedi hunkomodie no enwie peyo. Now within 1 year, you're spending $10 billion just to show up your dollar. And you're sitting dear. Then it's a challenge. $24-hour economy, according to Rev Visitano, needs $4 billion. And Udim Nebe Diamaye, a big creative Numa, a big open up production. I will make $4 billion. Pumping $10 billion into the economy. Ulmadiaye, I created thousands of jobs. I will be a cranium madi free. Anything and the so could you more, and it may be war a was through. And then money boss be brinanka say near my ye or ye my whim, and a nebo was through. But the Madudu a ye cardible man because $1 no, I'll be easy access on Sabbath me no, and then a boy from there's no choice about that. The Makato say, because I'm a coast on tea, me cranium money be. And the last month, I'm never cry by and crano. Must save it close to about 20,000 because of dollar above for money. But I continue to ask myself, say, yeah, then yet me pump $10 billion for BB. I say, any money when you use $4 billion, yet me a boy expanding my production, Jina Nasu ye. Am I the name of a break a few men come on it? And am I a credit from on any ball, Mamuno, yet me at Tesua, and be a long lasting thing for us. But I rather choose to spend $10 billion to create jobs in other people's country. Yes, President Bakachre said, Bank of Ghana making some interventions. Some of us need to say, yeah, but $10 billion, Mr. President, is too much. It's too much. You're not here, Juma. Do you know the number of jobs at $10 billion in our economy? Bet me a created the amount for. Bedi na kwa krani ma wa monane. And now ko porta amafo akrani ma bo memuno enya de ketwa. Because dollar rate above from. For how long are we going to continue to pump in $10 billion to show up your currency when the fundamentals are becoming weak? And I make come see the whole Ghana, one more year portrait cocoa. And cocoa farmer KFC. The whole Ghana. Nipa say no se kebeti mi ato akoko 150 cedis ekum nawe. Tina man ye din se sebi yakasa ne me go mamu ne betimi support wo mo ama ne ma ne bo aba fom. Rather we celebrate around baby betimi take time. Near they are building a year. Can we tell ourselves as a nation say your selected companies best at 3. Omejia emu Omeyemo, I buy the bed $10 billion every. I do my pen and what Ghana I buy $10 billion every. I'm crying my pay. So why do we pump $10 billion just to sustain a currency? Eti enna ye ntimi say nya bi won ba bia dollar nsa kekako. So tell you nya another $10 billion fa mu bia mu a. Na sa show up. It's simple. We can't continue this lie. You more the private sector. Let's help them to grow. And near my Ghana for the want to do it me and your maimu. But because production in Ghana is expensive. Production in Ghana is too expensive. It's in my do Ghana be on the boarding. Be from on the bape na the boaba form because I want them no production war form. And then can you abone asa to me from 1st January 2026 it take effect. It also gives you another clue say and near my ye be o mem no ni bo be sa akosuru biem chance na ehun ne. So have you thought of saying, Ghana, you might bet $10 billion. So I'm from Rome, you better not near Ghana for the year pan, or from produce for Mama Yaya. It can M1 naturally and $10 and what is so kakra. Rather than doing this, Mr. President, we need to go back to the drawing board again. We can't continue to pump in $10 billion annually just because a person show up. And medical cancer, the more we continue to do that, the more na ye creating you mama and Ndcfuo. Oh, mama, so ye mebu no memu here juma. So it means you see keep it in the 24-hour economy no ayejuma. There should not be any excuse anymore. The 24-hour economy should start. If you're waiting $10 billion to hold the dollar there, then it means 24-hour economy makes me just at their switch.
Me bacho who be sa question be me ni say we fear sitting in semwa kese ya wo kan nti se wanya wo beboa wo do wi ni what the answer no I say no answer ase kire se odishe wenya memwa odishe wenya we beboa ya ko thank you to Ghana thank you to ye baku si fi bas me yesi wonu mu asem na ma ye lose election ye pamu ni fi bas me e wo bono ho nye ne car ni di echiranka onanti fi ho e de bankran ye yi ni si form fi bas me yesi wonu mu asem e na ma ye lose elections no na wo si we nu mu asem na ma ye lose ya se o wini a afa ha be bo na ma ye wini 2028 ne ye da so ti opposition na bia me ka say nipa mienu na idi edi mansa na meba be July so mo be gya ye kuma na mo di agro no mo abobo na shepo no ma dia ma ya manyoko na kame mi mfi akire ho ma enka se mo fa ball ni ma me na me nko she goal
no onye ni say nipa na ye so bitter neme bi ho no ma nko ye ama nti odi yawo e woni mu
we are not responsible for your happiness.
Okay. Hey.
We are not responsible collectively. We are a political party. We exist to win elections. But what I say, until se won't mean winning elections ne mayenya. Ye be you wasi jai. Ye kunya tumi ni ba. Ya be people we nim nisu. E ye tumi na ye be.
So even if we say obi ya dey within the party no na say eye we ye nipa na anye ya instead say bi ampenfo beba then they will speak out to say no the nipa se mesi ye na anye ba nipa na react mu a no dey ye to say nye
say ye wankasa wade a we japade a na wo dey ye dey ope me buafu ball ya ye boy me dia me buafu no mafa na me dey ahye me moto na me dey ko pastor say oban e japade political party until you can't be bitter and let your bitterness bring all of us down. There has to be a limit.
Okay.
There has to be a limit. And we have to be able to tolerate everybody.
Okay.
And ye hwena enko yi untimi fa ye nkoduru a ye besesa ho ebe ye we ya yes ye manitra nche no ono so pa besom but adwen na anko se ye ni na de na wo de ye se be de mi di yaw me kansem anye we de ye ni na ye nkoda. We cannot build a political party. We can't build a political party. We have to tolerate all views.
Obe dada ye nwa manum se be bie a friend Women's Bank. Yes, bank when a driver crow whom cry or bar. A man kwan a baby ejuma ho. It to be in their first budget. Women's Board Bank, no, ebeba. First budget he buy ya see the 50 million. Obi answer him say Ghana had minimum adequacy ratio, which I say. In fact, capital adequacy ratio, which I say, so the 400 million and a starting bank.
Capital requirement.
Yes, 400 million.
420.
See, you need the 50 million. You can come say no dear. The year meetings Niniama. And Kwandewa and Sana Diana Kasaba. Into 2026, 2026 by ya. yɛatwerɛ sɛ 400 million yɛnim sɛneɛ ɛbɛkɔ no nti yɛhwɛ but so far no tumi sɛ promise akɛseɛ ɔmomaa no nyinaa no ɛmu biara ni hɔ a yɛdɛ ɔmayɛ